Okay, if you have a debt lawsuit and you receive something in the mail called a request for admissions from a debt collector and you do not respond, you could end up with a judgment entered against you. So listen closely. A request for admissions is a discovery tool. It's used during a lawsuit. It's one of the ways that parties gather information in court. This document is usually a list of statements, and the other side is asking you to either admit or deny whether each statement is true. Here's the danger. If you don't respond to this request for admissions, the court treats every statement as admitted. And these statements are usually things like admit that the debt is yours, admit the amount of the debt is correct. And when you do not respond, the debt collector can take those unanswered requests for admissions to the judge and say, hey, they didn't respond. That allows them to argue that you admitted the debt and ask the court to enter the judgment in their favor. So here's what you need to do instead. First, figure out the deadline to respond. In most cases, it's around 28 to 30 days, depending on your state. Next, you need to send back a written response. Your response to each statement individually by clearly stating either I admit or I deny. Ignoring requests for admissions is one of the fastest way to lose a case you could have defended. If you need guidance or help responding properly, visit yourcredittoolbox.info or reach out to 228-596-RESQ, which is 7377.